What if I told you that wealth is a mindset, not just numbers in your bank account? Yes, you heard that right. The richest individuals in history didn't just stumble upon their fortunes. They built them with a specific way of thinking. And guess what? You can adopt the same mindset to transform your life. Today, we're diving into Napoleon Hill's timeless masterpiece, Think and Grow Rich. This book has been changing lives for decades, and its principles are just as relevant today. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 10 life-changing habits that can shift your mindset and unlock your path to wealth. So, are you ready to think differently, act decisively, and grow rich in every sense of the word? Let's get started. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is not just a book, it's a guide to achieving success that has stood the test of time. Published in 1937, this self-help classic has sold millions of copies worldwide and has been credited with helping countless individuals achieve their dreams. What makes this book so powerful? Hill spent over 25 years studying the habits of successful individuals like Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison. He distilled their secrets into 13 principles, which form the foundation of this life-changing book. But here's the twist. These principles aren't just about making money. They're about building a rich life, financially, emotionally, and mentally. In this video, we're going to simplify those principles into 10 actionable habits. These habits are easy to implement and can set you on the path to wealth and fulfillment. So, let's jump into the first habit that will set the foundation for your journey to success. Habit 1. The power of desire. The first habit is rooted in one of the most powerful principles in Think and Grow Rich, desire. Napoleon Hill believed that success begins with a burning desire, a deep, unwavering commitment to achieving your goals. But let's be clear, this isn't a wish or a vague dream. Desire, according to Hill, is the starting point of all achievement. It's the fuel that drives every action and decision. Without it, success is nearly impossible. So how do you turn desire into a habit? Start by writing down your goals every day. Be specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? Is it financial freedom, a dream career, or a healthier lifestyle? Write it down as if it's already yours. For example, I earn $10,000 a month through my dream business. Next, take a moment to visualize your goals. Close your eyes and imagine what your life will look like when you achieve them. How will you feel? What will you do differently? Visualization helps turn abstract desires into concrete motivators. A great example of the power of desire is Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty, she envisioned a better future and worked relentlessly to make it a reality. Her unwavering desire propelled her from hardship to becoming one of the most influential women in the world. Start cultivating your desire today. It's the spark that ignites the journey to success. Habit 2. Faith. Believe in yourself. Faith is the cornerstone of success. According to Napoleon Hill, success is impossible without an unshakable belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Faith transforms mere thoughts into actionable realities. When you truly believe in yourself, obstacles turn into opportunities and failures become lessons. So how can you build faith into your daily life? Practice daily affirmations. Start your day by speaking positive statements about yourself and your goals. For example, say, I am capable of achieving my dreams, or success flows to me effortlessly. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your subconscious mind will begin to accept them as truth. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Seek out mentors, friends, or family members who believe in your potential and encourage you to aim higher. A motivational example of faith is J.K. Rowling. Before publishing Harry Potter, she faced countless rejections from publishers. But Rowling believed in her story and her ability to succeed, and her faith ultimately paid off. Today, she's one of the most successful authors in history. Faith isn't just wishful thinking, it's the foundation of action. Start building yours today. Habit 3. Autosuggestion, programming your mind. The third habit is about harnessing the power of autosuggestion. Napoleon Hill explains that by repeating positive thoughts and ideas, you can program your subconscious mind to work toward your goals. Here's how to incorporate autosuggestion into your daily routine. Recite affirmations in the morning and evening. Choose affirmations aligned with your goals, like "I am becoming wealthier every day," and repeat them out loud with conviction. Keep a gratitude journal. Each night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus toward positivity and abundance, training your mind to see opportunities rather than challenges. A famous example of autosuggestion is Muhammad Ali, who repeatedly declared, "I am the greatest." Even before achieving fame, Ali's belief in himself, reinforced by autosuggestion, shaped his path to becoming one of the most iconic athletes of all time. Your thoughts have immense power. Use autosuggestion to guide them in the direction of your dreams. Habit 4. Specialized knowledge. Invest in learning. In Think and Grow Rich, Hill emphasizes that specialized knowledge is far more valuable than general knowledge. While general knowledge is broad, specialized knowledge focuses on specific skills or expertise that can be directly applied to solve problems or create value. Here's how to cultivate specialized knowledge as a habit. Dedicate time to learning a specific skill or industry. Choose a niche you're passionate about or one that aligns with your goals. Invest in books, courses, or mentorships to deepen your expertise. Apply your knowledge through small projects or side hustles. Knowledge becomes truly powerful when it's put into action. For instance, if you're learning graphic design, start by creating logos for local businesses or personal projects. A great example of specialized knowledge is Steve Jobs. Jobs didn't just understand technology, he mastered the intersection of design and functionality. This unique specialization enabled Apple to create revolutionary products like the iPhone. Specialized knowledge empowers you to stand out in a competitive world. Identify your niche, commit to learning, and watch how your skills open doors to wealth and opportunities. Habit 5. Imagination. Think creatively. Napoleon Hill called imagination the workshop of the mind. Every great achievement begins as an idea, and imagination is the tool that transforms those ideas into reality. Whether you're solving a problem, building a business, or creating something entirely new, imagination is your greatest asset. Here's how to nurture creative thinking. Set aside 10 minutes daily for brainstorming. Use this time to jot down new ideas or ways to improve existing ones. Let your thoughts flow freely without judgment. Solve problems creatively. When faced with challenges, step outside the usual routines. Consider multiple approaches, even unconventional ones, to find unique solutions. A real-world example of imagination at work is Elon Musk. From electric cars with Tesla to space exploration with SpaceX, Musk's ability to think creatively has reshaped entire industries. His vision started with imagining what seemed impossible and turning it into reality. Imagination fuels innovation and progress. Make it a daily habit, and watch how your creative ideas can transform your life. Habit 6. Organized planning. Take action. Having dreams and ideas is important, but they mean nothing without action. Napoleon Hill stresses the need for organized planning, a clear, actionable roadmap to achieve your goals. Here's how to incorporate organized planning into your life. Break big goals into smaller steps. Start by defining your ultimate goal. Then divide it into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000, plan how much you'll save each month. Track your progress weekly. Regularly review your achievements and adjust your plan as needed. Tracking keeps you accountable and motivated. A simple framework you can use is SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," set a goal like, "I will jog 3 miles every morning for the next 3 months." Take inspiration from Jeff Bezos, who built Amazon through meticulous planning and execution. From starting as an online bookstore to becoming a global giant, his success was no accident. It was the result of a well-organized plan. Turn your dreams into reality with organized planning. Remember, action is the bridge between ideas and success. Habit 7. Decision. Be decisive. Indecision is a dream killer. Napoleon Hill observed that successful people make decisions quickly and stick to them, while unsuccessful people tend to overthink and procrastinate. The habit of decisiveness can set you apart from the crowd. Here's how to strengthen your decision-making skills. Practice making small decisions quickly. Start with everyday choices, like what to eat or what task to tackle first. Build confidence in your ability to decide. Set time limits for big decisions. When faced with significant choices, give yourself a reasonable deadline. This prevents overthinking and keeps you moving forward. A powerful example of decisiveness is Richard Branson. When presented with the opportunity to start Virgin Atlantic, he made the bold decision to launch despite having limited experience in the airline industry. His quick action turned Virgin into one of the most recognized brands in the world. Being decisive doesn't mean every decision will be perfect. It means you're willing to act, learn, and adapt as needed. Cultivate this habit, and you'll notice how much more progress you make toward your goals. Habit 8. Persistence. Never give up. Persistence is the key that unlocks the door to success. Napoleon Hill emphasizes that the ability to keep going despite challenges is what separates successful people from those who quit. Every great achievement is born from a refusal to give up, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Here's how to build persistence into your life. Create a morning routine to reinforce discipline. Start each day with a ritual that sets the tone for success, like journaling, exercising, or reviewing your goals. This consistency builds mental toughness. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress, no matter how minor. Celebrating victories keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're moving forward. A powerful story of persistence is J.K. Rowling. Rejected by 12 publishers, she could have given up on Harry Potter. But Rowling's determination paid off, and today her books are loved worldwide, proving that perseverance leads to triumph. Persistence is your greatest ally in the face of setbacks. Cultivate it, and nothing will stand in your way. Habit 9. Mastermind group. Build your tribe. No one achieves success alone. Napoleon Hill's concept of a mastermind group involves surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who support and challenge you to grow. Collaboration and shared knowledge multiply your chances of success. Here's how to form your own mastermind group. Join or create a group of motivated individuals. This could be a professional network, an online community, or a group of friends with similar goals. Share ideas and seek feedback regularly. Collaboration opens the door to fresh perspectives and innovative solutions. A real-life example of the power of masterminds is Apple's founding. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak formed a partnership that combined technical expertise with visionary leadership, creating one of the most successful companies in history. Surround yourself with the right people, and their energy and ideas will propel you forward. Together, you can achieve what's impossible alone. Habit 10. Subconscious mind. Control your thoughts. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool. Napoleon Hill explains that it acts like a sponge, absorbing everything you think and feel, which then shapes your reality. To achieve success, you must train your subconscious to focus on positivity and abundance. Here's how to harness the power of your subconscious. Meditate daily to focus your thoughts. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day in quiet reflection. Use this time to visualize your goals and clear your mind of distractions. Avoid negative influences. Steer clear of toxic media, pessimistic people, or anything that drains your energy. Replace negativity with uplifting books, podcasts, or conversations. Practical tips for rewiring your subconscious include creating a vision board or using positive affirmations before bed. Consistent effort will gradually reprogram your mind to work towards success. Your subconscious is always working. Make sure it's working for you, not against you. We've explored 10 life-changing habits from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. From cultivating desire and faith to building persistence and controlling your thoughts, each habit is a step toward unlocking your potential and achieving wealth, financially, emotionally, and mentally. Remember, wealth starts in the mind. It's not just about money, it's about the mindset and habits that create opportunities and transform lives. Now it's your turn to act. Start small, choose one habit to focus on today. Will you practice daily affirmations, build a mastermind group, or create a morning routine to reinforce discipline? Let us know in the comments which habit you're starting with, and don't forget to like and share this video with someone who could benefit from these life-changing principles. Your journey to success begins now. The question is, are you ready to take the first step?